Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your ASUS monitor flickering. So what we'll need to do is basically go and check your power cable, make sure it is plugged in right and correctly, because if this cable is loose, it may flicker. So after that, if it is checked, what you'll need to do is go to the menu, and let's go to the menu and scroll down until you see system setup. Click on the system setup, then scroll down until you see more, and scroll down until you see all reset, and then just click on this check and you'll basically reset your monitor. And that's how you can fix your flickering problem on ASUS monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.